We'll guide you through how to create a ChatGPT logo design. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to a design tool like Canva or Adobe Illustrator. These platforms are great for creating logos because they offer a wide range of tools and templates to get you started. Once you're on the platform, start a new project by selecting the option to create a custom size. A typical logo size is around 500 by 500 pixels, but you can adjust this to fit your needs. Next, think about the core elements you want to include in your ChatGPT logo. Since this is related to AI and conversation, you might want to incorporate speech bubbles, a chatbot icon, or abstract symbols representing technology. Use shapes, icons, and text to build the elements you want in your design. For the color scheme, consider using shades of blue or green, as these colors often represent technology and innovation. You can add gradients for a modern look. To add text, go to the text tool, choose a font that matches the style you want for your logo, and type in ChatGPT or your preferred brand name. Adjust the size and placement until it looks balanced with the other elements. Once you're happy with the design, double check the alignment and spacing to ensure everything looks professional. Finally, save your design. Most platforms will let you download your logo in various formats like PNG or SVG, which are great for maintaining quality at different sizes. And there you have it, a sleek ChatGPT logo ready to use. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.